All right, this is in Essential Elements, number 83, page 23. So number 83 is called 4 by 4. And it's very similar. The first line is really similar to the second line until you get to the last two measures. So if you've got the first two measures down, you've got the second two measures down. Here we go. We start on the third finger, F sharp. So make sure that your first finger is up on the tip and your hand is in that nice C shape. Your thumb is riding along, not squeezing behind. Here we go. This is 4 by 4. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2.